11. Garlic to include in your diet and adds flavor. Garlic is very easy to include in your current diet. It complements most savory dishes, particularly soups and sauces. The strong taste of garlic can also add a punch to otherwise bland recipes. Garlic comes in several forms, from whole cloves and smooth pastes, to powders and supplements like garlic extract and garlic oil. A common way to use garlic is to press a few cloves of fresh garlic with a garlic press, then mix it with extra virgin olive oil and a bit of salt. This works as a very simple and nutritious salad dressing. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and unique taste, is a versatile ingredient that can effortlessly enhance the flavors of various dishes. Adding garlic to your diet is not only easy, but also beneficial for your health. This humble bulb has been used for centuries across different cultures for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Including garlic in your meals can be as simple as mincing it and sautéing it with vegetables, or using it to season meats and sauces. Whether you prefer its raw, cooked, or roasted form, garlic can add depth and complexity to a wide range of dishes. Apart from its culinary value, garlic is also known for its numerous health benefits. It has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, boost the immune system, and promote heart health. Additionally, garlic contains antioxidants that may help protect against certain types of cancer. While garlic is generally safe for consumption, it is important to note that some individuals may experience digestive discomfort or allergies. It is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Garlic may also affect your blood clotting ability. If you have a bleeding disorder or are taking blood thinning medications, talk with a doctor before increasing your garlic intake. In summary, incorporating garlic into your diet is an easy and delicious way to enhance the flavor of your meals.